Good morning, Gunnar.
Hello.
We're here at Little Creek, Red Blade, going fishing.
Except my seat's a little unstable.
What's unstable? Your seat? Uh-oh, is that one breaking? The seat breaking, got a rock on it a little bit. Oh, you're fine. Okay. So we're heading out that way.
Just that you can move around by. I don't want to go fast. First I thought that said cracker, not tractor.
Cracker? Where is it? Cracker at? Oh, right there.
What's that tractor right there? Tractor.
It's the ship of doom.
Ah! The ship of doom!
Gunnar's bundled up for the ride out.
Yeah. Hard to believe it's only like 8:30. I'm gonna wait so long.
You don't usually wake up early.
Oh, wake up, Gunnar.
Look at the big boat.
The hovercraft, look at that. Is that cool, Gunnar? It's a hovercraft. It's flying on top of water.
Hello.
Godzilla.
No,
Oh, yeah, don't like that. What are you doing?
it's recording.
Okay. Well, hold on to it tighter when you maybe put the strap on your wrist.
Yeah.
You know, put the strap on the wrist and then record with it.
That camera seems
Yeah, that
like a
camera,
rock.
if it falls, there's no way I can get in the water fast enough to recover it.
It's like a rock.
Yeah, it seems like a rock.
Check around. Oh, the things over there.
We do.
Must stink to live in those houses. Those houses over there.
This one I think is pretty magnificent.
You're like, it's like, hello neighbor, and you're like looking through out the window or something.
Yeah, I know a lot of stuff going on.
Fishing. Boy. That's a gazelle. I say gazelle. That's you say gazelle. Gazelle. How can you say gazelle when Dad says gazelle? Charmander. What's the bus? That I did nothing. Person. Is that someone on the gun, or is that just not even a person?
Yeah.
Looks like someone in an astronaut suit on the gun.
Astronauts.
Look at all have to do it.
Oh. All right, Blake. Thank you.
No, it was.
What? Daddy, run! What the hell?
Oh, there's a bunch of fish right here. Right here's what we're looking for. Maybe we should anchor right here. Drop the anchor again, Blade.
Oh man.
Drop the anchor right there.
Get away. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
The boats are going out.
Yep. Getting ready to go out into the ocean, Gunnar.
I thought you said we were going over there.
We are.
Okay, why would we go out to the ocean?
We're leaving the port. It's finally nice enough out here.
If anything, it's gonna fly out.
Oh, my boat's in gear. We're driving right now.
There's
All
all
right.
the bubbles from the boat.
Oh, we're supposed to be going that way. Why would
Your guy's recording.
You. All right. Nothing. No fish. No, what a disappointment.
So, we going to Rudy place, home, or just keep fishing?
We're not going to Rudy. We're just going to keep fishing here.
Okay. So, 3 more hours.
There's a Christmas tree up there.
Hello.
Gunnar.
Guzzle.
Hello.
Don't drop it.
On the bump. Oh, yeah, should put the microphone. We are on the very bumpy boat.
Where's the Bridge of Doom? Which one's the Bridge of Doom? That one's the Bridge of Doom?
Yeah.
What's the bridge behind us to Blitz Hall?
I don't know what to call it.
That's Lynn Haven.
Oh, yeah. Just kind of doing a short little interview. Haven't done it in a long time.
We haven't seen anybody catch a fish all day. No one's got a fish.
We haven't caught fish
We
either.
haven't caught a fish either.
This it's not looking good.
Yep.
Citizens. Is it recording? Does it say so?
Yes, recording. There's a big boat. You're going to run us over.
At the bottom, does it show numbers?
Yes.
Okay, and it is recording.
Thank you for letting me know that, Gunnar.
Yes.
It's gonna be a while
That'd
until
be
they come back.
I could catch Gyarados.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while.
Something. I could catch Gyarados out here.
Look at all this stuff spinning on the top.
Huh?
All the radar.
Those birds. It stirs up a lot of fish when it comes through, so hopefully maybe we'll go over there, catch some fish. See them birds over there?
Yeah.
That's where we're going next.
Seriously?
Yeah. That boat's gonna get run over. What the heck? Look how close he is. Holy.
Coming right towards.
He's gonna run you over.
Okay.
Oh. That was unexpected. Oh, I see someone walking. That person's tiny.
I know, it's a big boat.
Person's look. We'll fit our house on it.
Oh, easily, yeah. Probably 30 of our houses on that.
Big ship. After we see this,
No, there's birds. There's a bunch of birds over here diving. Might be fish over here. Fish. Big boat. Those people up top, they're working. They're like little dots.
There's a wave that the boat made.
Daddy.
And millions of birds follow it. Look at it. Because it stirs everything up. The Navy just got back from their fishing trip. They're out here fishing. Look at that big boat. So if we had that boat blade, we could just live on that. That'd be like a mega mansion. Everyone we know can live on it, yeah.
Everyone has a place to live in the house. Or at least a room for them. You have to live out the private room.
It's the hotel. All the crates are rooms.
Yeah, like everyone has their own room. It's not like a family. Everyone has their private room.
Gary lost it.
They're good.
It's like a 1,000 truck.
Don't drop the camera!
Blade just caught 2 striper.
Yeah, and you caught one.
Yeah, Blade caught 1 keeper.
Yeah.
And Gunnar wants to go home right when we're catching fish.
Yeah.
Heading in now. We don't have lights on the boat anyways.
Yeah.
Last time I checked, they didn't work, so we need to head in anyways.